In this video, you'll learn how to pause an agent in Paperclip AI. This process involves navigating through the dashboard and selecting the appropriate options to effectively pause the agent's activity. Begin by accessing the Paperclip AI dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the Paperclip AI dashboard. Once the page loads, you should see a clean layout displaying various agents and their current status. This is the main interface where you will manage your agents. After the dashboard appears, locate the agent you wish to pause. Each agent is listed clearly and you can identify them by their names or numbers. Click on the name of the agent, which in this case is labeled as Agent 1. This action will direct you to the detailed view for that specific agent. Once you are on the agent's dashboard, direct your attention to the available options. Look for a button labeled Pause. This button is typically situated in a prominent location on the page, making it easy to find. Clicking this button will initiate the process of pausing the agent. After clicking the Pause button, the system will process your request. A confirmation message should appear on the screen indicating that the agent has been successfully paused. This confirmation reassures you that the action has been completed. If you do not see this confirmation, check your internet connection, as a slow connection may delay the response. It is essential to ensure that you are aware of the implications of pausing an agent, such as any ongoing tasks that may be interrupted. Additionally, if you plan to pause multiple agents, consider the overall performance impact and any potential storage limitations within Paperclip AI. This awareness will help you manage your resources effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.